objective of the models. In my previous video, I have discussed what is models and what are the main models. How can we use the models? Where we can put such type of models. How and where we can put the specific models. Models are can, could, shall, should, may, might, need, dare, etc. There is little bit confusion about the models. Till then, whenever you are not there to learn it properly. I am hoping through my video you are learning it in a very easy manner. So, more motivation should be there to me, by which I can make the videos and provide you. For this, you have to like my all videos. You may share my videos among your friends and among your students. Subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. I will be highly obliged to you. So, in these three sentences, I use models. I will be, here will is model. I will be means I am needing of your subscription. You may share means you are needing. I am requesting to you to share my videos means here is the compulsion, here is the need of mine that you may share my videos. So today we will start from should and must. There is too many confusion about should, must, ought to. But I think from this video this problem will be solved. See here. Uses of should, must. Here are the four uses to use should and must. These are the probabilities, these are the thoughts or thinkings, necessities where we can put should and must. Advice, compulsion, strong obligation, probability. First of all, you have to know the differentiate between these two should and must. शुड एंड मस्ट आप बोलोगे कि दोनों में ही चाहिए आता है मीन्स करना होगा काम. यस इट इज ट्रू बट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट इज देयर. शुड मीन्स नो नेसेसरी, नो फोर्स इज देयर, बट इन मस्ट देयर इज नेसेसरी, देयर इज मस्ट, देयर इज नीड मीन्स इट इज forcefully said. If you are pushing there, you are putting there must, it is pushing. See here, it will be more clear after writing the examples. Advice. In advice, we can should and must will be used, can be used. See the example. You should obey your elders. Here I used should. I am writing the same example but using must. You must obey your elders. See the difference? In this first, you should obey your elders. Here should means you need. If you are obeying, if you are wanting, then you can obey your elders. But when must is used there, then you are needing, you are advising. Surely that you must obey your elders. This is necessary that you have to means करना पड़ेगा ही है ही, ये आपको करना ही है, अपने elders की obey करनी ही है. तो मीन्स मस्ट इज यूज हियर कि ये काम आपको करना ही है. एनी हाउ कैसे ही आप करो, रिक्वेस्ट आपसे हो रही है, ये जरूरत है, ये एडवाइस दी जा रही है, हार्डली रिक्वेस्ट है, मतलब अंदर से जो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट निकलती है उस रिक्वेस्ट को आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आपको ये काम करना है. क्लियर? सी द कंपल्शन. कंपल्शन होगा मीन्स यू या योर टीचर must teach discipline. means it is the duty of the teacher that she or he has to teach you that discipline. It is too much necessary. So it will be compulsory, means it will be under compulsion. It is necessary to teach you about discipline. Next is strong obligation. Strong obligation में आता है that you should care of your kids. You should care of your kids. Means your kids only are of yours. So this is a strong obligation. आपके अंदर से आना है, आपके अंदर से ही, आपकी ही नेसेसिटी है, आपका ही ऑब्लिगेशन है, आपका ही कर्तव्य है कि आपको अपने बच्चों का केयर करना हो। मस्ट इसमें क्यों नहीं आएगा? बिकॉज योर किड्स, वी कैन नॉट रिक्वेस्ट टू द पेरेंट्स टू केयर ऑफ देम। प्रोबेबिलिटी, my phone may be there. My phone must be there. Now here you will say that man is used may. I just wrote here may to differentiate between may and must. To differentiate, to show the real method to use must. My phone may be there. Here we can use may because it is not sure that it will be there. It is only confusion या only obligation that it will be there. शायद ही मेरा फोन वहाँ हो सकता है, but must is used there means I am sure, it is damn sure that my phone must be there. Clear? So advice, compulsion, strong obligation, probability. These are the four things. There we can use should and must. Now one more thing, see here, I use be and be here. Now the question will be there in your mind that why man is used be here? Be is the V1. First form of the verb. So after the modals I use be. Today's part 2 second use is would. Would is the past form of will. Yes. How we will use would? First of all, we will put it in request. Polite request and offer. Whenever we will ask anything in the polite manner, with heart, in the hard manner, we will write your would. Like, see the example. Would you bring me a glass of water? A glass of water. Here in the sentence, the speaker is requesting that he is needing a glass of water, so he is saying, would you bring me a glass of water? Something is moving in your mind that here in this type of example we have also and already used could. Yes, could can be there, but could you bring me a glass of water? But could, in could there will be hesitation. It will not be strong feeling, it will not be offer or request. So would will be used here. Would you bring me a glass of water? See next, past habit. Past habit in the sense means ऐसी habit जो हो चुकी, घट चुकी है, जो अब है ही नहीं. Like when I was a kid, I would cry. I would cry. So would is used here. When I was kid means in my past time, in my past life, in my childhood, I was there to cry. We can use here used to? No. Used to. We cannot use here used to. Because used to is written the habit which is continuing till now. Like I used to play cricket from my childhood. Understood? So here I used to. This was also the habit of past time, but this is continuing till now. This shows that this is continuing till now. Nowadays I am also used to. I am also habituated to play the cricket. And in the sentence, but only the activity was in my past. See the next, imagination. Whenever we will have any imagination, when we will give the advice to imagine something, then we will write this would in that type of sentences. Like he would go there to fetch water. The speaker is not sure that the person is gone there, but he is imagining. He is saying that he would go there. Maybe he has gone there. Means क्या शायद वो वहाँ पानी लेने गया होगा. Here, indirect speech. I think it will be difficult to you. If you are wanting to clear this method to use would in narration, in indirect speech, you will see the video of the narration. It will coming soon. But now here to use would, we can see here in short. Indirect speech. He said that you would do the work clear. If direct speech will be there, you said common middle comma start, you will do the work clear. Then we have to write their code to change the sentence into indirect speech. Then only we will write would. I think this concept, this uses of would will be clear to you. So now here is the next use of will. Willingness or offer. Resolution. Whenever there will be the willingness or the offer will be there in the sentence, we will use will. Like, see the example. I will give you the reward if you will get good marks. Here is the offer. The teacher is saying that I will give you the reward. This is the offering, this is the reward that the teacher will give to the student if he will get the good marks. Resolution. तय करना, पहले से ही कसम खा लेना. क्या करते हैं न्यू ईयर पे? We have to take the resolution not to do this. So same here, when we will use the resolution, when we will take the resolution, we will use will. Like, I will not beat or scold to my students. This is the resolution which is taken by the teacher and he is used here. Understand? Now next, uses of need. Need is the modal, but it can be used as the main verb also. Like I need some water. Here it is verb V1. मुझे आवश्यकता है कुछ पानी की. But in this we will learn how to use the modal of need. How we will use need in the form of modals. So here are the two uses in which we can use the need. Necessity and obligation. Necessity means you need work hard. If you are wanting the promotion. नेसेसिटी है कि यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. तुमको आवश्यकता है कठिन परिश्रम की. Here work is V1. So you need work hard. आगे समझ में, यहाँ नेसेसिटी है means it is necessary to do the work hard. So here we have used need. Obligation. They need to laugh on this matter. Obligation किया है means objection किया गया है, मना किया गया है, फॉर्मेट किया गया है कि you not need to laugh. जरूरत नहीं है आपको हंसने की means this is not the matter to laugh. So this is the sentence where I have used need. Now, just now we learned about the use of need. Here is there. Just like need, there is also used. Means in the verb forms, in the main forms as well as in modal. Here are some rules which are written. See it carefully. These are very different from other verbs. This is used for there and need. So we can use them as different other verb forms. Second, they can be used and main verbs also. Main verb as in the sentence of need. I also gave you the example. Here you can also see it. It will be more elaborated or clear to you. There. You dare to fight. It is verb. It is not the modal because with modals every time we have to use what? Verb form. First form of verb. But I can use here verb form. It is there only. See the second example. He dare to fight. Is it clear? This sentence is clear? This sentence is correct? No. Because he is used here with he. Which verb form will be used? V5. Fifth form of verb. So he dares to fight. So as we use the verb forms, the main verb forms, we will use it also dare and need just like the verb forms. According to sentence, we will use their verbs forms. Next, when dare and need are used in the form of main verbs, then it will be followed 2 plus infinitive. Here also I had to use 2 plus infinitive verbs. 2 plus infinitive क्या हुआ? Verb की first form. Here find is also verb. So every time whenever we will make the sentences of need or dares, we have to use only 2 plus first form of verb. is 2 plus infinitive. Eat V1 is called infinitive and there is used here in the form of verb. See the next one? We can use them in the form of interrogative verbs or interrogatives also. As we are using do does in the interrogative form and there it can be helping verbs or auxiliary verbs in the sentence when we will use not. So here also dare and need can be used in the interrogative forms. There, they tried to write question. This is the modal, this is the auxiliary verb used in the interrogative. So here is another use of might. Might is another modal. Maybe it also called the past form of may. Here are 4 formation possibilities, speculation about past action and convey good reasons. In these 4 we can use might. How? See the example. The first one is permission. Whenever we are needing to take the permission, there we will use might. Like, see the example. You might to come home for curing me. Here might is used and the person is taking the permission. Another example we also can see. I might need to write with your pen. He is taking the permission to take the pen. Second one, possible. Where the possible manner will be there. Like, you might take admission. You might take admission in GD Mother International School. It is not sure that you can enter there, you can take the admission there, but might is used here means you are having the possible manner that you can take the admission there. In the possible manner, for the possibility we have used might. Speculation about past action. Past action means the work which is done in the past. There also we can write might. We might express our views through our speech. So this was the past speculation. When we gave the speech, there we use our views, there we have gained our views in the possible manner. This is the past form, that in the past tense, in the past, in the our that verb we have given the speech. Convey good reasons. Good reasons. You might be happy to have a smile on your face. What this sentence shows? That here the good reason is conveyed in the form of might. Means if you will have the smile on your face, then you might be happy. Whenever we think that we can use any modal in any sentence, but it is not good. The sentence's meaning will be different. The sentence's meaning will be changed. If you will use may in place of will, then there will not be surety to see the sentence. Through the sentences, through the modals only, we can only have the sense that how and why and what the writer or the speaker is needed to say. That's it for today. This was a part of 2 of modals. Thank you guys, thank you students, thank you readers, thank you children for being with me. Please stay with me for further.